Esurance Home and Life Insurance App. The pros, the cons. The Esurance Home and Life Insurance app is designed to put full control of your insurance in your hands. Many people think it's only for reviewing policy documents, but it actually allows you to manage both home and life insurance policies, pay premiums, file claims, and track account activity from anywhere. On the pros side, the app provides instant access to your policy details, beneficiaries, and payment history. Filing a claim is straightforward, with step-by-step guidance and the ability to upload documents and photos directly from your phone. Push notifications alert you to upcoming payments, policy updates, and claim status, keeping you informed in real time. Users also praise the clean design and intuitive navigation, making insurance management simple even for those who aren't tech-savvy. On the con side, some users report occasional slow load times or glitches, especially when accessing complex policy reports. Offline functionality is limited, so a stable internet connection is required to use all features. Advanced features like coverage projections, comparison tools, or detail analytics are not available within the app. In conclusion, the Esurance Home and Life Insurance app is a convenient and reliable solution for managing multiple types of insurance on the go. While it lacks advanced tools, it efficiently handles essential tasks and ensures policyholders stay informed and in control, making it a strong choice for everyday insurance management.